Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to convert your mobile phone into a webcam. You need only two things. One is into a network and one is your phone. So let's get started. Open your browser and type Droidcam. And you can see the dev47apps.com. You make sure you download from here because it's an original website. And here scroll down, download for your client, which is Windows. I have already downloaded the Droidcam and installed. I'm going to open the Droidcam. As you can see, you can connect from via USB or you can create your server Wi-Fi. I'm going to choose my LAN. You can see the device IP. Now you should download the Droidcam in your phone. I'm going to share my mobile screen. Go to the App Store and type Droidcam. Once you install, you'll get like this. Make sure your IP address, which is Wi-Fi IP, is 192.168.0.3, and I need to change it to my 4. So this is the device IP, which is my mobile IP, and let me start the video. As you can see, my mobile phone has been converted to webcam. You can keep your phone wherever you want and use the phone as you can, and you can use for Skype anything you want. So this is it guys, thank you very much for watching this video.